ICER and Chakrakar Lifestyle Solution presents Vayu, a solution to convert your food waste into energy. Can we convert kitchen waste into energy for cooking? Let's see how it is possible. Action by bacteria and archaea on food waste can help to convert food waste into cooking gas. If we are talking about converting food waste into energy, it means it is a source of energy. But from where does it get its own energy? All what we eat is grown on plants. Plants use carbon dioxide and water to convert it into food in the presence of sunlight through the process of photosynthesis. So this is actually the energy of sun which is trapped in the form of food. This food is basically glucose that can be seen in this equation. This glucose in the form of food has to be broken down to CO2 and water to release the energy stored inside it. This is observed in humans through the process of respiration, which is completely opposite to the process of photosynthesis. So, food or any kind of food waste is a source of energy. The food waste lying on the roads pollutes our environment and produces foul odor. Vayu can utilize this food waste and convert it into cooking energy. It converts this waste to a gaseous form called biogas, which can be burnt to give us energy. This energy can be used for cooking purposes too. This conversion of food waste to gas is actually done by the action of bacteria and archaea on food waste. They work in anaerobic conditions in the absence of any oxygen. These bacteria and archaea are single-celled organisms which belong to prokaryotes, unlike we human beings who belong to the Animalia category of eukaryotes. The biogas bacteria eat up the glucose or food waste in subsequent stages to produce biogas. These subsequent stages are referred to as hydrolysis, acidogenesis, acetogenesis, and methanogenesis. The complex food waste is broken down into smaller chains and converted into acids, which is further converted to methane by methanogens or archaea. The acid-producing bacteria and methane-producing archaea acts in a relationship called symbiosis. The acid-producing bacteria provides an environment ideal for archaea or methanogens to act on acids so produced and convert it into methane. Vayu, as a system, provides an environment for all these microorganisms that can work in anaerobic conditions and break down the complex food material, all what is fed in. Vayu provides an ecosystem for all these microorganisms that work in anaerobic conditions. So, this is the brief of all what we have studied till now. Sun is the primary source of energy and gives energy to all the life forms around us. The plant traps this solar energy in the form of food through the process of photosynthesis, and this food can be converted to give us biogas for cooking after digestion by microorganisms in the biogas digester. The methane in biogas so produced is converted into carbon dioxide and water on combustion. Biogas is primarily a mixture of carbon dioxide and methane. However, it also contains other gases like water vapors, hydrogen sulfide, and ammonia, out of which methane, hydrogen, and hydrogen sulfide are flammable and combustible. This schematic shows us the different parts of Vayu. A digester, which provides an anaerobic condition for the microorganisms to act on food waste. The culture, which is basically slurry, an ecosystem for all the bacteria and archaea to act. Since the waste is broken down to produce gas, we need a balloon for it to store it. Now this stored gas can be combusted to use it with the help of a burner. A flow meter in the circuit can tell us the amount of gas produced. A relief valve mechanism releases excess gas in case of emergency. This is how Vayu's eco-cycle is maintained. The biogas so produced is used for cooking, while the slurry so present inside the digester can be fed to the plants for better growth. This is how Vayu's eco-cycle is maintained. However, this cycle is highly dependent on one important factor called pH. pH is generally measured with pH paper, A pH of 7 to 8 is suitable pH range for the bacteria and archaea to act on food waste. So, this is how Vayu manages food waste, converts it into biogas and nutrient-rich slurry, and thus fulfill its eco cycle. Thank you.